this wooden stick. Outside the weather is very a lot of windy today. I have been very sick with cold, and then I have come to campsite 1 month. Spread coronavirus in my city and my country, and then I didn't come to campsite. This stove unboxing today. Into a wooden stick. This is the Korean favorite snack. It's since 1976. Squid ball. I'm so tired, and then I'm very sick, very hungry, and little bit sick. I need to rest time. Sorry, I want. I'm going to make anchovy and spicy mushrooms broth. Into the old pouches. This broth pouch is into water. I can use later this broth. I have a coffee time, and I eat this brownie. I'm going to ground the coffee beans. Wow, this coffee flavor is so good. Wow. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make 쇠고기 덮밥. 쇠고기 is in English beef. Beef and the vegetables, other vegetables I can use today's. I'm going to use today's 3 types of mushrooms. Maybe today's very quick and very simple, easy food. First, wearing gloves. Today's slices beef. I'm going to slice very tiny beef. You can very slice thin this beef. You have to thin slice. Very important. Observe the seasoning wells. Slice thin this beef like a paper. Can I cut this slice like a paper? This beef? Okay. 100 grams beef, around 100 grams beef I can use today. I don't measure this side and this side because this side is campsite. This is carrot. Also very thin slice. This is a large green onion, cut into halves. Okay. Half centimeters, half 5 centimeters into cup. Set aside. This is for garnish. Later, set aside. This is green chili peppers. Just lengthwise. Just thin slice. This is white mushrooms. Also thin slice. This is stocky mushrooms soaked last night. Bring my this stocky mushrooms very tender. This is enoki mushrooms cut into half. Enoki mushroom is in Korea 팽이버섯. Okay, so I can use 3 types of mushrooms today. This is garlic, just slice thinly. 2 cloves garlic I can use today. This is onions, quarter size onions. Just slice thinly, thin slice. Cutting job all done. My vegetables and beef cut into all done. This stocky mushrooms are very flexible and soaked very well. Pour the coffee into a coffee pot. Little bit of studies. Press down here. I'm going to make some slurry. Okay. This is broth is anchovy broth, sake mushrooms, and kelp stock. 1 teaspoon potato starches. I don't want a lot of sticky. On the heat to my pan, 1 tablespoon amount sesame oil. This sesame oil amount just cover this, all cover this. The first the beef into a pan. This beef is cooked 18%. It's okay. It's 100% cooked this beef. Onion, into garlic and vegetable, lettuce, carrot. Sake mushrooms. My cutting board is very narrow. Just stir this. Oh my god. Falling down. Until cooked, this beef is 100% cooked. Wow, this sesame oil flavor is so good. Pour in my tank. My beef is cooked all done. It's time to throw all vegetables into a pan. Okay, green onions, enoki mushrooms. Okay, some white mushrooms. Green chili peppers. Do you want spicy kick? Green chili peppers, more than 1 green chili peppers. Add some 1 green chili peppers, and oh my god. This is the cool sauce in English, oyster sauce. Oyster sauce now. Around 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoon amount oyster sauce. And just stir this. Gently stir this. this slurry, the 1 cup of slurry, I can use today. Wow, fermented where my kimchi. This is my kimchi. So I made it 1 month ago. So myself made myself my kimchi. So oh my, looks like so delicious. My. This site is have no microwave. So I just steamed my rice on the stove. Okay. And spread my rice. Oh, half size rice. One bowl meals, spread rice, and oh my, seasonings on top of rice. This beef, 쇠고기 덮밥. Okay. 그리고 sesame seed. Just a little bit amount sesame oil. This green onions for garnish. Oh my, so beautiful. This color is so beautiful. 쇠고기 stir fry rice is done. It's time to taste it. Oh my, looks like so delicious. Oh my, soft and oh my. Looks like cozy rice. Very smoothly studies. Oh my, looks like so delicious, yummy. My husband and me's favorite this food. This on top of my kimchi. Really delicious. So good, so good. Very smoothly. Oh my god, so good. Very delicious. This taste is very delicious and smooth. Sesame oil flavor is so good. Oh my god, so delicious. Thank you. Watch my video. Subscribe and like, please. And see you next my video. Bye.